As you walk into the master bedroom, it's the soft tones and textures that give you a sense of calm and relaxation. While the rest of the home has a rugged hand-hewn finish on most of the timbers and beams, in the master bedroom, the clients chose to do a smooth finish and paint the timbers and the trusses white. Early on in the design phase, the clients expressed to us how important it would be to have a deep soaking tub so that they could enjoy the views of the lake. What we did here is we actually designed the plan so that it bumps out beyond the master bedroom and it encompasses large windows surrounding it, all the way from the floor to the ceiling finish. This spa tub has a cube design. What's special about it is the way that you sit up in it. It's actually designed to be a lot like a hot tub and have a very similar effect. To help capture more of a panoramic view, we angled out the windows here. The angle of the window wall actually creates not only a beautiful interior design element, but it looks great on the exterior of the home as well. This room utilizes decorative wall finishes, and what's been done here is actually an ombre effect, where it transitions up to the use of mica and crystal in the wall. We're looking to really achieve the sensation that you're in a spa, and this really represents the sense of water being all around you. All of the trusses in this home are authentic. Golden Eagle used the traditional mortise and tenon joinery to build those, and your eye is really drawn up to that space. It's also backlit by this beautiful crystal chandelier. That chandelier ties in really well with what was done on these wall finishes here. The Golden Eagle design team had a great vision for how this was all going to come together. It first started with offsetting that timber truss by about 2 feet, and that allowed our cabinet designers to incorporate a built-in nightstand and bookshelf system to really bring this together as one unified feature wall. The lighting that we did in the kitchen had a great impact. We wanted to apply those same techniques and principles to the master bedroom as well. So we backlit all of these shelves as well as the timber trusses. I think you guys are really gonna like this. As we head into the master bathroom, you're greeted with this beautiful view of the lake. And then we have nearly 22 feet of glass here. Draws your eye all the way up to the ceiling where we have even more timber trusses. The collection of colors continues that spa-like atmosphere into this bathroom, just as it was in the bedroom. The his and her vanities were designed specifically not to obstruct the view. The countertops are real marble, and when you look above the mirror, you'll see that the mica that was used over by the soaking tub has also been used in here. Continuing the warmth and comfort of the space is having in-floor heat. Feels really great, also wonderful to have over in the shower area here. As we leave the master bath, we do have a his and a her closet, both with cabinet organizer systems. Also this door, notice that it's white just like all the trim, and it's smooth. Most of the doors in the home do have knots in them. That was intentionally requested by the client, but in this case they wanted a smooth door with a 2-panel arch top. We have the whitewash ceiling finish throughout the whole entire first floor, but it looks so different depending on the colors that are chosen on the wood in each room. There was a light color on that wood, a darker color in here. I'm looking forward to showing you what's in this room.